1. Blizzwheel e-scooter. Say hello to the Blizzwheel e-scooter, a game-changer in urban mobility. This futuristic scooter folds down to an ultra-compact size, small enough to carry like a laptop bag. Designed with 2 hub motors and a lightweight aluminum frame, it offers excellent maneuverability and portability without compromising on performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 15 miles per hour, and with a range of around 15 miles, it's perfect for short commutes, errands, or navigating campus life. What really makes the Blizzwheel stand out is its innovative folding mechanism and shock-absorbing suspension system that offers a surprisingly smooth ride. The solid tires mean no flats, and the rear wheel motor gives you a boost when climbing slopes. Onboard LED lights enhance visibility and safety during night rides. It's also packed with smart tech. An LCD display shows your speed, battery life, and more. Whether you're a student, a city worker, or someone looking to upgrade your last-mile transportation, the Blizzwheel e-scooter makes commuting smarter, simpler, and way cooler. It's not just a scooter, it's your portable ride to the future. 2. This Futuristic 3 picture. A vehicle that blends the stability of a car with the agility of a motorcycle. Welcome to the world of the Futuristic 3-wheeler. This sleek, electric-powered trike features 2 front wheels and 1 rear wheel, providing a unique balance of performance and design. With a streamlined, closed cabin layout, it offers enhanced weather protection, built-in infotainment systems, and even semi-autonomous driving features. Some versions boast a fully electric drivetrain, reaching speeds over 75 miles per hour and offering ranges upwards of 100 miles per charge. The aerodynamic design doesn't just look good, it reduces drag and increases efficiency. Inside, drivers are greeted with a digital cockpit, smart driving aids, and a minimalist yet high-tech feel. It's designed not just for fun, but also for sustainable commuting. Whether you're gliding through city streets or taking scenic backroads, this futuristic 3-wheeler offers an exhilarating and eco-friendly driving experience. It's perfect for tech-savvy drivers looking to stand out while reducing their carbon footprint. Fast, futuristic, and incredibly fun, this is not just a trike, it's a revolution on 3 wheels. 3. Yingang City Coco. If you're after a stylish, retro-modern ride for the city, the Yingang City Coco OK electric scooter is ready to impress. With its fat tires, low-slung frame, and minimalist design, this scooter delivers a fun and functional urban riding experience. It's powered by a robust electric motor that can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for quick commutes or leisurely rides around town. The scooter's wide tires not only give it a bold aesthetic, but also offer enhanced stability and comfort on rough city roads. A removable lithium battery allows for convenient charging at home or the office, and the range of up to 50 miles ensures you can ride worry-free all day. The City Coco OK includes an easy-to-read digital display, LED headlights, and hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. It's also surprisingly spacious, with room for a passenger and optional cargo racks. Whether you're commuting to work, cruising the boardwalk, or just enjoying a sunny day, the Yingang City Coco OK combines electric efficiency with cool, laid-back vibes. 4. Skik Electric Utility Scooter. Designed with practicality in mind, the Skik Electric Utility Scooter takes electric mobility to a new level. Built for hauling, delivering, or working on the move, this rugged scooter is more than just a ride, it's a mobile workhorse. With a powerful hub motor and reinforced chassis, it can carry heavy loads while maintaining great stability and balance. The wide deck and built-in cargo rack make it perfect for delivery professionals, campus staff, or even mobile vendors. It features puncture-resistant tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and a long-lasting battery that can keep you moving for hours. Despite its utility-focused design, the Skik doesn't sacrifice comfort. It offers a smooth ride thanks to its suspension system and ergonomic handlebars. The digital dashboard provides all the essentials: speed, battery life, and range at a glance. Whether navigating tight city streets or industrial areas, this scooter performs like a pro. If you're looking for a sustainable way to move goods or gear, the Skik electric utility scooter offers the ideal balance of power, utility, and futuristic design. 5. Cyrisher Thunders. The Cyrisher Thunders is a powerhouse of an electric mountain bike that fuses adrenaline, all-terrain capability, and sleek tech. This beast is built with adventure in mind, featuring a 750-watt motor and a 48-volt lithium battery that deliver powerful acceleration and a riding range of up to 50 miles. It's equipped with front and rear suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and 26 by 4-inch fat tires that handle sand, snow, trails, and streets with ease. The frame is crafted from high-grade aluminum for durability without unnecessary weight. The Thunders also features a vibrant LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, and pedal assist mode. You get multiple assist levels plus a twist throttle, offering full electric, pedal assist, or manual biking options. Whether you're commuting through the city or exploring off-road landscapes, this bike performs like a champ. Add in integrated front and rear lights, a stylish paint job, and an aggressive frame design, and you've got a ride that turns heads while tearing up trails. The Cyrisher Thunders isn't just a bike, it's an electric monster made for the bold. 6. Squeal One. The Squeal One is the future of urban adventure, an electric-powered roller ski system that lets you carve the pavement like you're skiing down a mountain. These electric skis strap to your feet and come equipped with self-balancing technology, dual motors, and intuitive controls that give you the sensation of real skiing right on city streets. The onboard sensors adapt to your movement, while smart algorithms manage acceleration and braking. Squeal One features regenerative braking, customizable speed settings, and a mobile app for tracking your ride and adjusting performance. Designed for fitness enthusiasts, ski lovers, and tech adventurers, this innovation offers a new way to move that's thrilling and practical. Whether you're training in the off-season or just seeking an electrifying new ride, the Squeal One delivers a unique blend of exercise and excitement. Its lightweight build and sleek design also make it easy to carry and store. With Squeal One, the sidewalk becomes your slope, and every ride feels like a run down the Alps. 7. GoBoat 2.0. The GoBoat 2.0 is a compact, inflatable, and ultra-portable personal watercraft that's changing how we enjoy lakes, rivers, and bays. With its innovative round design, the GoBoat provides excellent stability while remaining small enough to fit in your car trunk when deflated. Setup is tool-free and takes just minutes. The boat is powered by a quiet electric trolling motor, offering enough speed for fishing, exploring, or just relaxing on the water. Its durable drop-stitch inflatable floor gives it a rigid, stable feel once inflated. Designed with portability and ease of use in mind, it's perfect for weekend adventurers, anglers, or families looking for a new kind of water fun. The circular hull offers 360-degree maneuverability, making it easy to navigate in tight spaces. It's lightweight yet tough, and it includes comfortable seating and mounting points for accessories like fishing rods or coolers. Whether you're gliding across a calm lake or floating around with friends, the GoBoat 2.0 is a simple, smart, and super fun way to get on the water. 8. Inflatable Solar. Imagine an off-grid shelter that inflates in minutes and powers itself with the sun. Welcome to Inflatable Solar. This innovative structure is designed for emergency response, remote exploration, and eco-conscious camping. Made with high-strength inflatable materials, the shelter can be deployed quickly without tools, providing an instant base wherever you are. Integrated solar panels on the outer surface harvest sunlight, storing energy in a built-in battery that powers interior lights, ventilation, and small devices. Some models even offer water collection systems and thermal insulation. Inside, the shelter is surprisingly spacious, with room for sleeping, working, or storing gear. It's fire-resistant, weatherproof, and collapses down to a manageable size for easy transport. Inflatable solar structures are a leap forward in sustainable technology, ideal for disaster relief agencies, off-grid adventurers, or futuristic campers who want independence from traditional energy sources. It's not just a tent, it's a mobile, solar-powered living pod built for the future. 9. Caterham 170R. Light, nimble, and unapologetically fun, the Caterham 170R is a throwback to classic roadsters with a futuristic edge. Weighing in at under 970 pounds, it's one of the lightest street-legal cars in the world. Its tiny frame houses a turbocharged 660 cubic centimeter Suzuki engine that packs just enough punch to make every drive feel like a thrill ride. The 170R focuses on raw driving experience. No power steering, no traction control, just you, the road, and a set of slick tires. Despite its minimalist features, the 170R is surprisingly refined with sporty bucket seats, race-style suspension, and a responsive 5-speed gearbox. The car's classic British styling, long hood, open cockpit, exposed wheels, is matched by its modern materials and clever engineering. It's not built for comfort, but for pure, unfiltered connection between driver and machine. Whether you're tackling a twisty mountain road or enjoying a Sunday cruise, the Caterham 170R turns every journey into a performance. It's not just a car, it's a statement. 10th, Triton 660A VA. Step into the deep with the Triton 660A VA, one of the world's most advanced personal submarines. Built for luxury, science, and adventure, this submersible features a fully transparent acrylic hull that offers 360-degree panoramic views of the underwater world. Designed to seat up to 8 passengers, its rotating interior configuration ensures everyone gets the best seat in the house. It can dive as deep as 660 feet and run for hours, making it perfect for exploring coral reefs, shipwrecks, or the ocean floor. The Triton 660 AVA includes advanced navigation, life support, and safety systems, and can be launched from yachts or research vessels. It's not just a tool for exploration, it's an immersive experience. The ultra-quiet electric propulsion system ensures minimal disturbance to marine life, while powerful lights illuminate even the darkest depths. Whether used for luxury tourism, underwater filmmaking, or scientific research, the Triton 660 AVA represents the future of undersea travel. It's not just about seeing the ocean, it's about becoming part of it.